Have you ever felt like your garden turns into a constant cycle of watering and weeding, and no matter how much time you put in, it never seems to get easier? So the problem is most gardeners are simply set up in a way that creates more work than necessary. But there is one simple step that can dramatically reduce the weeds and the watering, and it's one of the easiest things you can do in your garden. So mulch is hands down the most powerful, low-effort tool in the garden, and yet so many gardeners overlook it. So when used correctly, mulch can cut your weeding and watering in half, all while feeding the soil that feeds your plants. So when soil is left exposed, the sun dries it out quickly, water evaporates fast, which means you have to keep watering over and over again, and at the same time, weed seeds are getting exactly what they need to sprout. They have light, they have water, and they have open space. So the more you water, the more weeds you grow. But when you cover the soil, everything changes. Mulch acts like a protective blanket. It holds moisture in the soil, it blocks the sunlight from reaching the weed seeds, and it creates a more stable growing environment. And when you use plant-based mulch, you're doing something even more powerful. You are feeding the life in your soil. So the soil microbes and the soil food web begin to thrive, and they do a lot of the work for you. So on our farm, mulching is a key part of how we reduce work while improving the health of the garden. When the soil is covered, we water less, we weed less, and the garden becomes much easier to manage. So instead of constantly reacting to problems, the system starts working for us. So mulch is one of the simplest ways to support living soil and let the biology do its job. So there's 5 types of mulch that we like to use here in the garden, and each one has its place. Grass clippings are one of the best plant-based mulches because they break down quickly and they feed the microbes. Just be sure to apply them in layers of less than 1 inch at a time so that they don't start to smell. All right, number 2 is organic straw or hay. This works well for covering large areas. We prefer later cuttings of hay rather than first cutting to reduce the chance of bringing in weed seeds. All right, next is newspapers. This is another simple and effective option. Worms will actually eat the newspaper and help break it down over time. Just make sure it's printed with soy-based ink and then cover it with another mulch to hold it in place. All right, next is weed barrier. This can be used in certain situations, especially in aisles or permanent pathways where you want long-term weed control. Last is wood shavings. These are excellent for pathways as well, helping to suppress weeds and keep the garden clean and easy to move through. So the goal is simple: keep the soil covered and feed the life within it. So here's the exciting part. When you add plant-based mulch, you're not just blocking weeds and conserving water, you're feeding the soil biology that makes your garden thrive. So microbes break down the mulch, turning it into nutrients that your plants can use. And this process strengthens the soil food web, improving fertility, and it reduces your need for supplemental fertilizers. So your soil literally works for you. So mulch also creates a cozy home for beneficial microbes, keeps the roots cool in summer and warm in the winter, and reduces compaction. So the result? A garden that requires less effort but produces healthier, more abundant crops. So if you want a garden that requires less watering, fewer weeds, and less overall work, simple steps like mulching make a big difference. So if you want to learn the foundation of the abundance garden system, how we build the soil, the structure of your beds, and creating a garden that supports you, go ahead and download the free guide, Grow More Food with Less Work, the 8-Step Abundance Garden System. You can find this in the description below. And it's going to walk you through the core principles so you can build your garden the right way from the beginning. So we're here to help you grow with clarity and confidence so your garden becomes easier, more productive, and more enjoyable every season.